In this lecture, we are going to see difference between two things, and it will not false to say that these two things are all about our WordPress websites, and these are two most important things of our WordPress websites. So let's check. The very first one is theme. For that, we will go to the appearance and then click on themes. So if we say what is theme, theme is something responsible for the look and the feel of our website, like how our website is going to look all depends on theme, in which we have most of our HTML and CSS stuff like heading colors, font size, layout, etc. There are more than 30,000 themes available for use. These three are default WordPress themes, comes with the WordPress installation, and if we want to use any new one, we can simply click on add new and search for that theme. Let's suppose if we want to create a business website, so let's search for business and it will start showing the list of themes specifically for business. So in this, you can select any theme most close to your business and start using it. The next thing is plugin. For that, we will go to the plugins. If we say what is plugin, so WordPress plugin is something responsible for the functionality of our WordPress website. Like we cannot see any plugin right now in our list. So if we click on add new, and here we can see 9 to 10 WordPress plugins. So let's suppose if I want to secure my website from spam emails, so I will use this plugin. It's for spam protection. And let's suppose if we want to add form in our website, so we will search form and it will start showing the plugins that allow us to add form in our website, like contact form 7, forminator, contact form by WP form. So these all plugins are responsible for creating form in our website where user can submit their inquiries. And there are more than 50,000 plugins available. I hope in this lecture you got the difference between plugins and themes and their importance for our WordPress website.